Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Buxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some red wine candy pear chips. The pears are poached in red wine and spices like cinnamon, cloves, star anise, and then dehydrated. These make for a beautiful garnish for desserts, drinks. They're also a great treat on their own with a flavor of red wine and spices. They make for a great addition to a cheese or charcuterie board. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll be using some ripe but firm Bosc pears. Barlett pears also work well. Start by cutting the pears down the center, then remove any visible seeds. Slice the pears using a mandolin. The slices should be nice and thin, between 1 to 1.5 millimeters in thickness. Once sliced, remove any seeds that are left. Now let's prepare the poaching liquid. Start by measuring 1.5 cups of red wine and add it to a skillet over medium-high heat. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Add 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, and 1 star anise. Mix it until the sugar has dissolved. Then add the pear slices. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the pear slices start to become translucent, about 10 minutes. Line some baking sheets with non-stick silicone mats, then transfer the pear slices onto it, making sure that they're nice and flat. Bring the poaching liquid back to a boil and let it reduce to about half its volume. The mixture will thicken slightly as it reduces. Brush a thin layer of the liquid over the pears. Next, place the slices in a preheated oven at 175 Fahrenheit, 79 Celsius, and dehydrate until dry to the touch. This should take about 2 hours. You can also use a dehydrator. Once the pears are dry to the touch, remove them from the oven and carefully flip the slices. If the backside is still humid, return them to the oven for an additional 10 minutes or so. And there you have it, beautiful translucent red wine candy pears. They look like glass and taste amazing. I love the flavor of wine and spices. As I mentioned before, they go really well with a cheese or charcuterie board and also make for a beautiful garnish. Store the pears between layers of parchment paper in an airtight container, away from humidity. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.